How to measure distance on Google Maps. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to measure distance on Google Maps. So first of all, just open Google Maps in your device, and after that just select the location where you want to measure the exact distance. So for example, I want to measure the distance for this particular area on Google Maps. So all you have to do is just long press on the area from where you want to continue. So for example, just continue from here. So you just have to long press on your screen and it will detect the area. So you can zoom in to be very precise on the location that you want to go. For example, this area right here. And now in order to measure the distance, you have to slide the bar upwards, and here you will see the option called measure distance with the scale. So just click on it. And now all you have to do is just have to measure the area and add points, and then Google Maps will measure the distance from you for that particular area. So let's go ahead and do that. So in order to add points, just select the location by dragging the key in your screen. So let's add points. So for example, I'm adding first point right here. So just click on add point. So you have to continue the process until you find your exact location where you want to reach and measure the distance of that particular location. So just go ahead and do that. And now you can see the length of the distance that you want to measure right on the screen, and it says 23 miles. So this is basically how you will be able to measure the distance on Google Maps. So I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.